Hello, I'm Mike Frechette from Hubbard-Hall, and I'd like to introduce you to our Aquaease Infinity technology. The Aquaease Infinity technology pairs Arbortech's membrane system with Hubbard-Hall cleaners that are specifically designed for membrane separation. This enables our customers to reclaim 98% of their dirty cleaner. One of our customers has been utilizing the technology for about 18 months. They are in the automotive industry, very cost competitive, where pennies matter. Every day they're just looking for 1 or 2% savings. They were dumping their cleaner baths every 2 weeks. Now they haven't dumped a bath in 18 months. The Aquaease Infinity technology isn't saving them 1 or 2%, it's saving them more than 35%. Adapting the technology is essentially risk-free. We start with a quick feasibility check, just to make sure that the application is suitable, technically and financially. Then we specify one of our Aquaease Infinity cleaners. The next step is an in-house trial, typically 1 month, where we collect real data. And if it doesn't work, there's no cost to you. If the in-house trial proves suitable for your application, the last step is leasing the equipment. The great thing about a lease is that there's no capital purchase. It enables savings on day one, and it includes all maintenance of the unit, so there is no hidden cost to you. We recently completed a trial where one of our customers processed 12,000 gallons of dirty cleaner during a month. 12,000 gallons that would normally be thrown out. The trial reclaimed 11,800 gallons of their cleaner, more than $5,000 worth of cleaner that would have been previously disposed of. It's a disruptive technology, so it's not too hard to imagine why other cleaner suppliers haven't embraced it. You might ask why Hubbard-Hall has embraced it. It's pretty simple. We're a family-owned, under 70-year-old company that anytime we see an opportunity to bring value to our customer, we do it.